Hello, what is up? Welcome to my channel, and today I'm just doing like a Crypt Keeper inspired dark thingy. I don't know, I'm just gonna see where it goes. I did one before last Halloween. I'll pop a picture here. That's my Instagram, you can go follow me there if you like. And I wasn't really that happy with this, and I always kind of wanted to redo it, so yeah, that's what I'm doing today. The major mistake that I made last time was that I just put latex straight all over my face, onto my brows. They said to use Vaseline and I didn't, and that hurt. And I posted a little video ruining my face with me on my Instagram because I was red. I was literally in the shower like. So I'm gonna try put this on first this time, and hopefully that will work. I just put Vaseline all over the areas that I'm going to be using the latex. It's just a cheap latex I got somewhere, and cotton wool to build it up. So hopefully that will stop this sticking to me so bad, and hopefully it will come off easier. And I'm yeah, just gonna time lapse this, putting it all over my face. Okay, so I've just done the forehead piece. This is just as hard as I remember it was. It's just so hard to work with. But yeah, so I'm gonna do here, all across here, going up this way, and then like a jaw piece. I forgot to take my piercings out. Great. Move my face. That was the hardest thing to work with. Just constantly sticking to your fingers on the sponge. I honestly need like a shot after that. But anyway, let's move on to the paint job. Oh my god, I can't move my eyebrows. Yeah, so this is mainly the driest part here, and it's slowly drying the rest of the way. But yeah, I'm just gonna move on with the paint job. I'm kind of just making it up as I go along, as usual. So I'm just taking like a light foundation, putting that all over as like a base, and hopefully it doesn't like oxidize weirdly. Trying to just get into all the crevices. I'm gonna look like a piece of bread after this. Nice crusty piece of bread, but will be grand. So I just used the scissors and like opened up this part of the nose because I think it looks really cool, because this is going to be black. Now, so I'm aware that this looks absolutely mad, like amount of texture and all that, but it's going to be a really messy paint job with loads of texture, so we will be fine. Yeah, so I'm just going to set all this with the powder, just so that the paints can go on easier. Now, so I'm just going to contour all the dark places of the face, just like a regular contour, but not exactly. So I've just put definition in all the crevices. I'm just going to go in with a black paint now for some even more contrasts. So I'm just gonna go, I have this little sponge, I'm just gonna go put some texture in the face, just some reds and yellows for a better skin tone. So I'm finished that, and I'm just gonna go and put some highlight on the face. I just realized I should have done that before this, but I'll just go back over it if I have to. Well, this has been a journey. I'm just gonna blacken my eyes and put some blood on, because why not? Everybody has a bit of blood. My pink eyes don't really match this, do they? Also, I'm sorry I haven't been able to talk during this. I really just can't multitask and do two things at the same time. And when I'm really focused, I can't do it. But I'm sorry, I hope it was still entertaining for you anyway. This is literally just me kind of making this up as I go along. It's why it takes so long to do. Are we done? I could honestly keep going at this for a long time, just finding things to add, but I should stop sometime. Still don't like the way these look. Blood time. Let's find a somewhat clean brush. Should I do some of my eyes as well? This is me just making up stuff now. But I kind of like it. Oh my god, so I think this is it. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. I can't move my face. I can't make any type of expression for you, and I can't talk properly, but thank you if you made it this far. This is literally just me having fun. I like just making things up. I'm going to be posting more on my channel, more covers and more makeup, and yeah, if you want to see any of that, please stay around. I'm just going to be documenting my improvement. Hopefully I get better, hopefully I do, but thank you anyway if you watched this far.